I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Nissan Murano. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a pry bar. Make sure the engine has completely cooled down to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process for you. Next, we need to gain clear access to the alternator. You'll likely start by removing the engine splash shield from underneath the vehicle. Then, use your serpentine belt tool to release tension and carefully remove the drive belt from the alternator pulley. Finally, locate and disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power wire attached to the alternator itself. Take your time with these steps. With the belt and wiring disconnected, it's time to remove the old unit. You'll typically find 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Use the appropriate socket or wrench to remove these bolts. Once unbolted, carefully work the old alternator free from its mounting brackets. Sometimes a little gentle prying is needed. Before installing the new one, quickly check the mounting area for cleanliness. Now let's install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into its mounting brackets and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Once aligned, fully tighten them to specification. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the main power wire securely. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the pulleys, ensuring it's correctly seated, and release the tensioner. Double-check all connections before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.